does it mean to do an estate plan? So when you contact me, Tanya Hendricks, Huntsville estate planning lawyer, to do your estate plan, what exactly is that going to look like? Well, it will depend on what you need. So the first thing I will do is ask you what you want to do. What are your goals? I'll ask you about your family. Are you married? Do you have children? Do you want things to go to your spouse? Do you want things to go to your children equally? Are there children you want to disinherit? Do you have children who are special needs? And then once we talk about those things, I'll ask what you want to do. And we will talk through your different options. We will do what's called a legal strategy on what's your best options to handle your estate, to divide and distribute your assets. And then from there, we'll talk about who do you want to manage your estate. So the first part is figuring out what's going to happen to your stuff, to your things. And then we talk about who's going to manage that, who's going to make sure that happens, who's going to manage your estate, who's going to be your personal representative, or what you sometimes hear is called the executor of the estate. From there, and before I move on, I want to make sure you understand we also have to have a backup plan. We never know what's going to happen, so you always have a backup plan. So don't decide on just one way of doing things or just one person to handle things for you. You always have a backup plan. And then the next thing we talk about is your power of attorney. Who will make sure that your business affairs, your legal affairs, and some medical decisions are made if you're not able to make them yourself? And again, we have to have a backup plan. So if that person can't make decisions on your behalf, who's that backup person? And then we want to talk about your advance directive for healthcare. And the advance directive is making those end-of-life decisions for you if you're not able to make those decisions for you. And you will designate in your advance directive what your wishes are, but your proxy, the person who makes those decisions, who verbalizes those decisions for you, will be the ones to tell the doctor or medical personnel what those wishes are. So that's in a nutshell. That is what I will do as an estate planning lawyer, as your estate planning lawyer, is I will prepare those documents that outlines those wishes for you, that outlines your desires for your assets, for your property, for your authority that you're going to give over to someone to make decisions for you and handle your affairs for you. I'm Tanya Hendricks, Huntsville estate planning lawyer. You can reach me at 256-361-1221, and that's 256-361-1221. Or you can reach me online at huntsvilleestateplanninklawyers.com, huntsvilleestateplanninklawyers.com. Thank you so very much.